Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo na lahat. This is Chin Pamasigarichano, a faith healer, also bata reader. So ngayong hapon, natutigan natin ang nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Pero of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng ating may kapal. Siksik diglig nag-uumapaw manumbalik sa inyong biyaya, no? At maraming po salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Diba? Sa panonood at walang sawang panonood. Ganun lang yon, team. Diba? So, Madam Sir, maraming salamat po. So, umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit Messages. Bigyan mo ako ng pasabog na mensahe. Archangel Michael Messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Angel Spirit Guides, please give me information. Ang sinasabi dito ni Archangel, your children are watched over by angels. So, ibig sabihin yung mga anak nyo, no? Ginagabayan daw ito ng ating mga anghel. And of course, sinasabi rin dito na let go of your fear. So, alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba, no? Ngayon na. Now na! Ganon. And of course, sinasabi dito, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction at nasa tamang wisyo ka. Napalad mo tong reading na to at talagang tutugma at talagang sosoplak sa inyo tong eksena na to. So, himay-himayin natin at para malaman natin ang kaganapan sa buhay mo. No? Digan natin kung ano yung magiging hanash mo dito, P. Angel Spirit. This is all gender po to, ha? No gender preferences. So, ibig sabihin para po to sa pangkalahatan. This is a general reading, ha? For girl, boy, a lesbian, transgender, gay, something na, kumbaga, lahat ng gender equality, kumbaga, nandito, ha? Gender preferences nandito po sa atin lahat. So, there is an information. By the star card, there's a wish fulfillment. So, ibig sabihin, may mga katuparan sa mga pangarap mo, no? May matutupad. There's a healing and happiness dito. And of course, there's a miracle. And of course, there's a King of Swords, being wise. So, ngayon maging wise at maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon, no? At the same time, there's a Seven of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. Maraming oportunidad na papasok ngayon dito. And of course, there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. So, ibig sabihin, maging balanse ka, no? Itong oportunidad na to, kailangan mo pag-isipan ng clear at pag-isipan mo ng maayos. At the same time, there's a everything is fine. So, ibig sabihin dito, sa dami mong pagsubok na pinagdaanan, no? Panatiling okay ka lang, no? Sinasabi mo na okay ka lang, laban lang, 'di ba? Kahit na ang sakit-sakit na. Charis! Sinasabi dito, let's see what is additional messages. There's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feelings, no? Makikinig ka lagi sa iyong nararamdaman, no? Sa iyong vibration, sa iyong instinct. So, let's see what is the Star card. And of course, there's a Queen of Wands. So, there's a confidence. So, magkaroon ka daw ng confidence dito. At the same time, kailangan mong lakasan ng loob mo, no? Alisin mo, I think it's sinasabi ng let go of fear. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Additional messages for the King of Swords. There is a Two of Swords. There is a decision. So, kailangan mo mag-decision dito, no? As soon as possible. Maging wise, maging matalino sa pagdedesisyon sa lahat ng bagay. So, let's see what is the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups represents the Eight of Wands. So, there's a fast communication coming in for you. Maraming opportunity na papasok dito, no? There's a travels, informations. So, sinasabi sa dito, kailangan, kumbaga optional ka, no? Kailangan pangkalahatang eksena ka. Hindi ka dapat bumibig sa isang eksena lang. So, let's see what is the Two of Pentacles. There's a Four of Pentacles. See? Kumbaga, there's a protect your power, protect your energy. Protectionan mo yung pinaghirapan mo. Even your finances, love life, or career. What is the everything is fine? There's an emperor. See? Be mature enough. Kahit na alam mong mga, kumbaga, kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, di ba? Hindi mo yan, kumbaga, hindi ka naghihinaing or something, nag-emote, di ba? You are also a mature and grounded person. Di ba? Kumbaga, kahit na ang sakit-sakit na, di ba? Damang-dama mo na. Di ba? Pero, it's okay, di ba? Ganun lang yon. There's a page of cups. So, there's a page of cups represent the strength card. So, there is a confident, no? Kumbaga makinig ka sa intuition mo sa sarili mo na meron kang confident na tinatago or some of you may tapang kang tinatago. Yung brave, no? So, let's see what is the sword card and of course the Queen of Wands. There is a Ace of Pentacles. A big money, a big slot is coming, no? Kumbaga, ito yung sinasabi niya, i-boost mo lang yung confidence mo, no? I-boost mo yung confidence mo para mas pasabog na magkakaroon ka ng wish fulfillment. Because there's a Four of Swords, there's a listen to your intuitions and listen to your gut feeling, no? Lagi ka makikinig sa nararamdaman mo. At the same time, there's a Four of Cups, there is a evaluations, no? Kailangan mo muna pag-isipan, no? Bago ka mag-take ng action. There's a 444 angels number na kailangan, there's a, there's a 444 represent you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka, no? So, let's see what is the Two of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. So, there's a Devil card. So, ito nga, no? Kapag sinasabi na protection mo yung sarili mo, there's a lot of temptations, of negativities around you, na panatiliin mo maging balanse ka, no? Susubukin ka dyan ng temptasyon, no? Seductions, no? Marami dyan, kumbaga, sulsol, buyo, or something na kumbaga, tukso, di ba, about sa finances, panatiliin mong kalmado ka. Because there is a King of Pentacles, there is a security, no? Magkaroon ka ng secure, and of course, mature, no? About sa finances. Let's see what is the Page of Cups and the Strength card. And of course, there is a Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Panatiliin mong kalmado at panatiliin mong matapang ka, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging mahinahon sa pagdidesisyon. Kailangan pag-isipan mo muna maraming beses bago ka mag-take ng actions. Ganon, para walang kirot, walang awsa pa, walang kirot sa huli. Ganon. Outcome, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Knight of Swords. So, there's an overthinking. Some of you, na baka nag-overthink ka. Or some of you, there's a fear. And of course, there's anxieties and deception and stress, no? Kumbaga, that because dito sa takot na to, kailangan alisin mo yan, no? And of course, there's a Two of Wands. There's a decision. Kailangan mo mag-decision as soon as possible. Tingnan mo yung both side of situation and of course, the lighter side of the situation. And of course, there's a Chariot card. There's a taking action, no? Kailangan mo magkumilos at gumalaw. Hindi pwedeng, kumbaga, hindi pwedeng naguguluhan ka lang, hindi pwedeng hindi ka naggagalaw, hindi ka pwedeng hindi magte-take ng action. Kailangan mo kumilos, gumalaw, pag-isipan mo kung maaari mo pag-isipan. Pero kailangan ng desisyon, no? And of course, there's an High Priestess, there's an hidden agenda, hidden enemies, no? Kumbaga, meron unexpected moment dito. So, kailangan mo mag-take ng action talaga. Kasi mamaya may mga biglaang eksena na hindi mo inaasahan. So, suddenly, sinasabi sa'yo dito na magkakaroon ka ng pagbabago. Kasi there's an information na sinasabi na magkakaroon ka ng stability and control pagdating sa finances, no? And of course, there's an hope. Huwag ka mag-alala. Nasa tamang direction ka. Nasa tamang wisyo ka, no? So, let's see what is a Love Oracle card. There is a Twin Flame energy. So, some of you baka talagang there's some compatible. Kumbaga kayo talagang pinagtagpo at tinadhana. And of course, there's a mirroring. So, some of you, there's a relationship reflects our wounds. Kumbaga may malalim talagang pinanghugutan pagdating sa relasyon, no? And of course, there's a both. There's a closure issue. Maaaring matatapos na yung issue yung dalawa. Issue ng pera, issue ng pagkakaperahan, issue ng health, or issue ng kahit anumang niya, career man yan, no? Magkakaroon na ng closure. So, let's see what is Archangel. What is the chakra pala? So, let's see muna for Yin and Yang Oracle card. Para mas maunawaan natin, mag-Yin and Yang muna tayo. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Angel Spirit, guys, please give me the information. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Self-love and receive. Oh, see? Marami kang matatanggap dito. No? And of course, there's a self-love, intentions. And of course, there's an apology. So, there's a person coming back, no? Kumbaga talagang meron ditong hihingi ng tawad. So, kailangan pahalaga mo yung sarili mo. No? Baka nag-emote ka kasi nagkaroon ng separation or something. Pero this is the moment na, kumbaga kikinigin ka, 'di ba? Dahil 'di ba nakita niyo yung halaga mo, gandang-ganda ka sa sarili mo or gwapong-gwapo ka. And of course, there is a receive, something na matatanggap mo. And of course, there is an Ace of Earth. So, some of you may kinilaman ka sa Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, let's see what is the chakra. There's an impartiality. So, it means kailangan mong maging balanse. At then, of course, kailangan mong self-worth. Alam mo dapat yung halaga mo, no? And of course, let's see. There's a isolation. So, kumbaga ito yung isolation na nagre-represent na sinasabi ng negativity or toxicities. Kailangan mong kumula dyan. And of course, there's a prayer. Some of you, kailangan mo magdasal, di ba? Ingi mo lahat ng gabay, guidance, support ng ating mga gabay. Let's see what is additional messages. And walking away. So, sinasabi dito, it's not being good. Kailangan mo nang umalis. Kailangan mo nang talikuran at kailangan mo nang kumawala. And of course, there is a door to the spirit. So, there's may pintuan daw, no? About sa spirituality. So, some of you, kumbaga pinagtatagpo talaga kayo kasi maaaring kayong tinadhana. And of course, there is a temple of path. So, there's a lot of discoveries. Marami ka madi-discover. So, some of you guys, nagkaroon ng separations. Pero at the end of the time, nagtagpo ulit kayo. Hindi dahil para inising kayo ng tadhana, no? Kundi hindi para pagbuklo din kayo ulit dahil kayo talaga ang para sa isa't isa. 'Di ba? Pinagtagpo, naglokohan, pinagtagpo ulit, 'di ba? Ganun maglaro ang tadhana. There's a choices. And of course, there's a release. So, kailangan mo i-release yung negativity. There's a negativity and negative thoughts, toxic behavior, toxic attitudes. Maaring ganun, no? Na kailangan mo alisin. Of course, there's an evolution. Kailangan mong baguhin. No? Let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for you. There is a family. So, some of you talaga may pamilya na. And of course, there's a crystal. Some of you makakatulong daw yung gemstones. And of course, mga crystals sa'yo, no? Like amethyst, tiger eye to boost your confidence, evil eye to construct na inget, no? And of course, kumbaga, rose quartz for relationship, diba? Citrine for a good fortune. So, ganon. So, let's see what is additional message. And of course, meron tayong pala guys. So, may bracelet tayo ng money magnet. Like, kumbaga, bulalakaw siya na stone. So, sinasabi dito yung money magnet na panghatak ng swerte. No? What is Monsology? Monsology represent bring love into the situation, no? Kumbaga, yung pagmamahal na yan, kumbaga ilagay mo sa sitwasyon. And of course, believe the impossible. Lahat ng mga imposible ay posible, no? Muling magbabalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig. Let's see what is Arcangel Raphael. Meditation. So, kailangan nyo raw guys mag-meditate, no? And of course, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for angels. There's a failure. Some of you may mga bagay na kumbaga mistakes or something, obstacles or something, failure na talagang magbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga kaalaman. At the same time, there's a forgiveness. May mga bagay na kumbaga kailangan mo ipagpatawad at kailangan mo patawarin para sa ikabubuti ng iyong pamilya, ng inyong relasyon, ng iyong buhay. There's a trust the timing, no? Kumbaga trust the wave you came into. So, ibig sabihin, pag biglang bayo ng tubig at bayo ng dagat, talagang sasabihin sa'yo na sa'yo talaga darating ang eksena. Diba? Kumbaga, kapag uminto at kumalma na, kalmado na. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's number represent a 666, I am the centered. So, sinasabi dito, a wake-up call for you to examine your current situation and change the directions of your thoughts. So, you can raise your vibration to a more positive frequency. So, kailangan maging sentro ka, no, sa lahat ng eksena. No, hindi pwedeng, kailangan gawin mo sentro si God, something kung mag-i-examine mo yung nangyayari sa'yo, kumbaga, kung ano man yung nangyayari sa paligid mo, maging, kumbaga, tingnan mo yung both side of situation, no? Kumbaga, tingnan mo yung lighter sides, kung ano talaga yung naging punot dulo ng eksena, no? Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quote said, peace I live with you, peace I give it to you. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung kapayapaan na iiwan sa'yo ni God, no? Ang kapayapaan na ibibigay niya sa'yo. So, mas pinipiliin mo yung kapayapaan kaysa mag-away or gumante kung ano man yan, no? Let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life? And of course, there's I discover who I am. Today, I discover the riches that lie within me. I acknowledge my true self. I see myself as a limited being and marvel and beauty of my life. I recognize the wealth of possibilities I available to me. And as a being of the light, as I learn who I am, I recognize the divine with me. See, madidiscover mo kung sino ka talaga at kung ano talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay, 'di ba? Hindi dahil kumbaga pagdaanan mo yung mga ganyan-ganyan, etc., no? Kundi para matutunan mo na magpatawad at muling magmahal. Ganun lang 'yon. So this is Arcangel Michael, messages for the sign of Sagittarius. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Maraming salamat sa mga lansaw support sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-liglig nag-umapaw man balik sa inyo biyaya. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!